on a stomach, so they can face each other, so they can play with the ball. So everybody's lifting the head up. Can play.
Hát eddig a kapu.
Are you good? Did you mean it? Patrice, look. There's a ninja, look. Right? Come on. There's Lucian, look. Look. Boom. Oh, there we go. Try to stretch your arms forward. Yay. Good. Come on, Beatrice.
Ai, ce frumos ne jucăm noi cu mingea.
Bravo.
Haide. Așa, bravo. Rândul tău, Lucian, rândul tău. Hai. Întinde mânuța, întinde. Bravo. Așa, ca pe sus. Uite.
Capul sus. Beatrice. Good. Look.
Ia să vedem. Hai să-i dăm la Beatrice. Hai. Împinge.
She's fighting because she's like, every time she's leaning on the side. And now what she has to do is she has to lift her head up. See, she can, but it's like harder. So it's like a good motivation to put something in front of her or him to reach and to lift the head up. Because this one position is for him and for her. Like it's a lazy position, you know. She can do everything. But now, come on, she can lift her head up, see? There you go, but it's harder. So it's this is the education part.